Hey guys, ever thought about changing your app icons to your own photo? Imagine opening WhatsApp and seeing your face as the icon. How cool is that? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do just that on your Samsung phone. Let's get started. Alright, so to make this happen, we're going to use an app called Theme Park. You can find it inside GoodLock or FineLock. I've already made a video on how to install GoodLock, so go check that out if you haven't yet. First, open up the Theme Park app once you've installed it. Then, head over to the bottom menu and tap on Icon. Now, tap on Create New to start designing your own icon pack. In the top right corner, tap the three-dot menu and choose Change Icons. Pick the app you want to customize. Let's go with WhatsApp as an example. When it asks how you want to change the icon, choose Gallery to use your own photo. Select the photo you want, and just like that, the app icon changes to your picture. Once you're happy with it, just tap the back button to continue. You can also tweak the shape of the icon if you're feeling creative. Totally up to you. When you're ready to save your custom icon pack, tap the download icon in the top right corner. Give your pack a name, tap OK and wait a few moments while it processes. Finally, select the icon pack you just created and tap Apply. Done. So now your apps look totally unique, just like you. If you enjoyed this little customization trick, give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more fun Android hacks. Catch you in the next one.